So welcome to Manhyia Palace, and this is NYANSAPO TV, the third edition of Akwasidae Festival, which is celebrated by Ghanaians mostly and precisely the Ashanti Kingdom. Ashanti Kingdom today was very lucky because the King of Oru came to grace this occasion, I mean the third edition. And quickly, let me run you through the history about Warri, and I say Warri Kingdom. The Warri Kingdom, or Iwari Kingdom, established in 1480, was part of the Nigeria traditional state based in the city of Warri in Delta State, Nigeria, to be precise. The current Oru of Warri is Ogiame Atwase III, who was crowned on 21st August 2021 as Oru of Warri. The kingdom of Warri has remained predominantly Christian since the coronation of its first Christian king, Olu Aturuboyi, also known as King Sebastian, in 1570 within the current of the foundation of Warri Kingdom. These are the below of kings, the name of kings, starting from 1570. Gina Wu was the first Oru, Ejinje Obumwere, the second Oru, Irami, the third Oru, Ojuruwa, the fourth Oru, Isieji, the fifth Oru, D. Sebastian Aturuboyi, the sixth Oru. Then we move on to Domingos Atuase, the seventh Oru, and then the Antonio Domingos Onyankpaha Obanihere, the eighth Oru. Sebastian Ludovico Omuriyi came, then Luigo Avinjoyi, and then Sebastian the second Akunjeyi. Then we move on to Manuel, who is the 12th Oru, Manuel Obomeye. Then the 13th Oru is D. Agostinho Sebastian Octobia Akumboyi. Then we move on to 14th Manuel Octobia Atubuwa. Then 15th Sebastian Manuel Octobia Ijuruwa. Then 16th is Ejio Rusan Jao Akimbuwa. Then the 17th Oru is, then the name is Intrubunum. And then came Junuwa the second, Emiko Ekimbuwa. And then we move on to Rijuwa the second, was Ayuru Messi Basimi Emiko. Then came Alu Atuase the second, Gordon Susujo Emiko. Then we move on to Ekunwole Godfred Emiko. And then the last king, this is 21st king of Oru, and the third of Oru, Atuase, the sword. The one holding the sword behind the Oru signifies the authority of Oru, and I mean Oru Atuase the third. Atinyi Losi Sola Emiko, he is the king. So there comes Otumfo Osei-Tutu, the Asantehene of the Ashanti Kingdom. Let me quickly run you through his history, or a little history about Otumfo Osei-Tutu. Osei-Tutu the second, born Nana Berima Kwekudua, 6 May 1950, of the 16th Asantehene, stood on 26 April 1999 by name Otumfo Osei-Tutu the second. Is in direct succession to the 17th century founder of Ashanti Empire, Otumfo Osei-Tutu the first. He's also the chancellor of one of the biggest university in Ghana, and to be precise, Africa, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. Otumfo Osei-Tutu the second is the Grand Patron of Grand Lodge of Ghana and the sword bearer of the United Grand Lodge of England. Let me quickly move on. He was born, as I said, 6 May 1950, and named as Nana Kweku, Nana Berima Kwekudia, the third son and the youngest of the 5 children, 3 sons and 2 daughters of Nana Efia Kubisewa Ampem II. Asantehene, the late Asantehene, queen mother of the Ashanti. His father, Nana Kwame Boakye Dankwa, was from Kentinchiri in Ashanti, and was also the Brisia Duku of Ashanti. The Kwame Boakye Dankwa died 1st January 2001 in Kumasi, the Ashanti region. So these are the rulers of the great Ashanti Empire. Started from Otumfuo Nana Osei Tutu, 1701 to 1717. Otumfuo Nana Opoku Warri Katechi, 1720 to 1750. Otumfuo Nana Kusi Buadom, 1750 to 1764. Otumfuo Nana Osei Koju Okuawia, 1764 to 1777. Osei Kwame Penny, 1717 to 1803. Then comes to Otumfuo Nana Opoku Fufie December. He started his reign December 1803 to March 1804. Then Otumfuo Osei Tutu Kwame Esibe, 1804 to 1824. Otumfuo Nana Osei Yaw Akoto started his reign 1824 to 1834. Otumfuo Nana Kwekudua the first started his reign 1834 to 1867. Otumfuo Nana Kofi Kakweri started his reign 1867 to 1874. Then Otumfuo Nana Mensa Bonsu, 1874 to 1883. Otumfuo Nana Kwekudua the second started his reign 1884 to 1884. He died after short illness. That's why he lasted just 1 year on the stool. Then we move on to Otumfuo Nana Prempeh the first, 1888 to 1931. Otumfuo Nana Osei Tutu Agyeman Prempeh the second came 1931 to May 1970. Then Otumfuo Nana Opoku Warri the second started his reign 1970 to 1999. There comes Otumfuo Osei Tutu the second, the reigning Ashanti king, the great Ashanti Empire, the king of Ashanti Kingdom, that is Otumfuo Osei Tutu the second. He started his reign 1999. That was 26 April to present. Currently, he is the king of Ashanti. Right now, as you can see, he is about to greet his own mother. That is the queen mother of Ashanti Kingdom, Nana Kunedu Yadom.
For where she were, Akan Formasi Akan Twi Ghallywood Jẹ́lẹ̀ kò ọ̀sán dáadáa. So, Master is also to Oka, said on him, a several donor, several of a child, as well no Shia, or the people know the the Senate Akwasidae minister. So before Wapa, or by one can say what's in the game, that's a wooden no more. And then there or the about Abibirem, and then the top. I don't move to Hana no fear that. And now the high master was it here. Or he didn't want to take also who grew up, or he didn't see what kind of food in the name, Sebi, or what I could do, the Takrab, no. Sit there, considering so also over, not a person of his here, it's not to be by or sister of Baya, snap, and to do you know. I hear champagne, or papa, so, and to do you know. I hear Jane, Pentusia, that label Pentusia, and so who do I come home? I don't approve. Or your grandpa, so I got poetry, your mamma council, or the ground, or say, I don't approve. I know I don't go on so much, so I hear Shifa, so much mono, and the pension, so they say, I don't know, proof your car with the iron kind.